Freedrum 2, our next virtual drum kit. An instrument and app that will teach you to drum along to your favorite music. Freedrum is the best way to play the drums anytime, anywhere. Whether you are an aspiring drummer, a professional, or just want to jam with your friends, Freedrum is the instrument for you. Freedrum has a growing community of over 14,000 passionate musicians that have been brought together by the love of music and technology. We want to make the most affordable way to learn and play the drums. Freedrum wants to make drumming accessible for all. With our new software service, we are giving you everything you need in order to learn how to play the drums anytime, anywhere. No matter if you are a beginner or a pro, you can never stop learning. This tightly integrated relationship between instrument and app will transform the way that you practice and give you deeper insights into your improvements. We want to make learning more fun, giving you the opportunity to play along to your favorite music. You can decide which songs you like to play based on your preferences, skill level, and accuracy. Our app will give you suggestions on what you should play next and offer you a platform to share your creations.